Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to buy USDT using your Telegram account. So if you want to purchase USDT using your Telegram account, you make sure that your account has been fully verified and then you are good to go. So now once you click on your Telegram account, you navigate to this point, you now click on your wallet. While we allow you to load, remember to subscribe, don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Right now I have a total of 2,000 naira and I want to purchase additional 2,000 naira to this amount using just Telegram. So now you click on P2P market. Now once you click on P2P market, you allow it to load and then you now proceed and you click on buy. So now you just observe the market and you see the people that are willing to sell within your limit. Now this person is selling 1,600 right now and he has a total of 3,235 trades. So I'll go with him. Then I will select 2,000 naira. Now he is using OP. I'll click on buy. Now once you click on buy, you now proceed and you now click on create order. So now let's wait for him now to accept order. Once he accepts the order, his account details and everything will show for payment. So now he accepted the order. So now let's make the payments to his account right now. He's using OP. So I just make that payment of 2,000 right now. So I'll proceed and I'll click on I make payments. So now there's provision for you now to upload a file. It is compulsory for you to upload a file as proof of payment. So now for you to upload that file as proof of payment, you take a snapshot or a screenshot of your payment proof. You click on choose the file. Then you come to your gallery, you now select the file, you upload the file. So let's wait as the file loads. Remember to subscribe if this tutorial is helpful to you, and don't forget to like and share this video. So now once your payment proof is 100% and fully successful, you now click on confirm and send. Then you now click on send. So now let's wait for the buyer now to release our USDT. So as you can see, he already confirmed the payment and he will deposit the USDT to my wallet in the next 2 minutes. So now let's proceed to my wallet right now. So now I was having a total of 2,000 naira before, now I have 4,000 naira. This is the easiest way to purchase USDT using your Telegram account. Remember to subscribe, don't forget to like and share if this video is really helpful to you. Thank you.